Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can find Bitget wallet address. In order to locate or find Bitget wallet address, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and log in into your Bitget wallet account. When you're logged into your account, go ahead and press the asset button located right at the bottom and then log in into your account. So when you're logged into your account, go to the asset section, and right on this page you could go ahead and select the particular asset that you want to go with. So I'm gonna go with the BTC, and when you actually press on BTC, you could go ahead and click on transfer, or you could just go ahead and press on the trade button. Here now, go ahead and select the network type once again, and when you actually verify your identity, you should be able to see the network type and your Bitget wallet address. So that is basically how you can find the Bitget wallet address. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.